Imagine, you wake up with stiff joints, a dull headache, or an unsettled stomach. It's not severe enough to rush to the doctor, but it's enough to affect your day. These are your body's subtle ways of saying, "I'm inflamed." Inflammation isn't always the enemy. It's your body's natural defense mechanism to fight off infection or heal injuries. But when inflammation turns chronic, it becomes a silent saboteur, linked to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even depression. Let's dive into how inflammation works, its hormonal ties, and how an anti-inflammatory diet can help you regain balance. Inflammation is your body's built-in emergency response. Picture it as firefighters rushing to a blaze. It's essential in acute scenarios like healing a cut or fighting off a cold. But if the firefighters don't leave, they can cause more harm than good, damaging your body over time. Chronic inflammation occurs when your immune system stays on high alert, even without a clear threat. It's like your body is stuck in fight mode, which leads to tissue damage, pain and fatigue, and an increased risk of chronic illnesses. Did you know inflammation doesn't work alone? Hormones play a massive role in either fueling or calming it down. Cortisol. Known as the stress hormone, cortisol is an anti-inflammatory when balanced. However, chronic stress can lead to cortisol resistance, making your body less effective at managing inflammation. Insulin. Chronic inflammation can cause insulin resistance, which disrupts your blood sugar levels and increases your risk of diabetes. Estrogen. In women, balanced estrogen levels have anti-inflammatory effects. During menopause, when estrogen levels drop, inflammation often increases. Leptin. This hunger hormone spikes with poor diets, promoting inflammation, especially in overweight individuals. Several culprits can ignite inflammation and keep it burning. Dietary choices like processed foods loaded with trans fats and sugar, excess alcohol or fried foods, and refined carbs like white bread and sugary cereals. Stress. Prolonged stress keeps cortisol elevated, eventually contributing to inflammation. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hormone cycles, spiking inflammatory markers. Sedentary lifestyle. A lack of movement contributes to the accumulation of inflammatory compounds in the body. The good news? You can take control of chronic inflammation with your diet. Here's what to focus on. Anti-inflammatory superfoods. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which actively reduce inflammation. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are high in magnesium and polyphenols that calm inflammation. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. Nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds provide healthy fats and vitamin E. Green tea contains catechins that reduce inflammation at the cellular level. And of course, olive oil, a Mediterranean staple, is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Foods to avoid: refined sugars and sodas, red and processed meats, and fried and heavily processed foods. It's not just what you eat. Your lifestyle can either fan the flames or extinguish them. Moderate intensity exercise like walking or yoga reduces inflammatory markers. Avoid overtraining, as excessive exercise can have the opposite effect. Practices like meditation and deep breathing help balance cortisol levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep to lower inflammation. Proper hydration flushes out toxins and supports cellular repair. How can you tell if inflammation is impacting your health? Doctors use biomarkers like C-reactive protein, or CRP, where elevated levels indicate inflammation. ESR, or erythrocyte sedimentation rate, measures inflammatory activity. Cytokine levels show how your immune system is functioning. If you're experiencing symptoms like fatigue, joint pain, or frequent infections, talk to your doctor about testing. Balancing your hormones can directly calm inflammation. Practice mindfulness to lower cortisol spikes and consider adding adaptogens like ashwagandha or holy basil to your routine. Pair carbs with protein and healthy fats to prevent insulin spikes, and incorporate regular movement to improve glucose uptake. Consume cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower to detox excess estrogen, and avoid environmental estrogens from plastics and chemical-laden products. Inflammation doesn't have to be a lifelong battle. By understanding its triggers and making small intentional changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can cool the flames and take control of your health. Here's your challenge. Add at least one anti-inflammatory food to your plate today and see how your body responds. Remember, every small step matters on your journey to health and balance. What's your next step? Let us know in the comments.